So in this video, we are required to factor this polynomial expression. The first thing we need to do is, I remembered in my one of the previous video I produced, that when you have, certain terms inside the bracket and there is no specific value outside the bracket, the value that's outside the bracket is 1. So basically this is 1. And value that's outside the bracket here is what? 1. So we're going to be using this minus 1 to open this bracket. So if you multiply the whole of this bracket by this 1, we are still going to be having what? A minus 2b, right, minus 3. But in this case, we are having minus 1 here, so we have to be very careful in using to open the bracket. Minus 1 times 6c, that will give us minus what? 6c. Minus 1 times 4bc, that is minus 4bc, right? Then minus 1 times minus 2ac, minus times minus, that is plus, right? Then 1 times 2ac, that's plus 2 what? ac. So the next thing we need to do is to regroup. So what I'm saying is we regroup a and b with a number, a, b, and a number. So we can have it like a minus what? 2b, right? Then minus what? 3, right? Then plus, okay, the next one is what? 2ac, right? Minus what? 4bc, right? Then minus what? Minus 6c. All right, so you can see we have a, b, we have a, and there's only one thing that is common here, that is what? C. So if I want to write this, I'll write this as a minus 2b, right, minus 3. Something is common in this case, and that is what? There's c here, there's c here, there's c here, and there's another factor we can use to factor it, that there's 2, 4, 6 here. So 2 can be used to factor c out. So this one can be written as plus what? 2c, right, into bracket 2c times 2ac. That will remain what? A. Then minus what? Minus this one will give us what? 2b. 2c times minus 2b, that will give us minus 4bc. Then this one is what? This is 6c. So what can we multiply 2c by? That will give us 6c. That's what? Minus what? 3. Now looking at this, we have a minus 2b minus 3, a minus 2b minus 3. So there's a factor. But don't forget, if I put this inside bracket, what we are going to be having here is 1, right? Meaning that if I use the 1 to open this bracket, I'm still going to be having the same thing, all right? So at the end of it, since a minus 2b minus 3 is the same here, so we can factor it and write that a minus 2b minus 3, right, into bracket 1 plus what? 2c. 1 and 2c, right? So this is the solution to the problem. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.